Welcome, dear students. As you know that I'm continuing the GROW test, different steps, the procedures, steps. The fifth step, method for taking observations. How you are going to take the observation? You see, you have to examine the plants. Say for example, if you have grown in one working sample, if it is 400 plants, so you have replicated twice, so 200 plants for your working sample, as well as you have grown 2 replicates of your standard sample. So at whole growing period, each and every plant, all 400 plants, you have to observe, examine very carefully as per your descriptors given in dust test report. So accordingly you have to compare the characteristics throughout the growing season and with emphasis during flowering to ripening stage. At any time, if you are getting any off-type plant, you have to tag it for counting. You have to tag it and let it grow till last. And finally, at last, you have to be sure that which you have tagged is really off-type, or by chance, by mistake, you have taken as off-type. So this is where you have to examine each and every plant during your growing period. So while taking the observations, the plants showing deviation in characters, as I said, that must be tagged and examined carefully at a later stage to confirm the purity of the plant. Then the number of total plants and the number of off-type should be recorded properly. Number of plants, say for example you have grown 200 plants. So you have written 200 plants twice. And in 200 you have seen that how many off-types. You have to record it for calculating it properly. So then you are going for calculation and reporting the result. The calculation. Percentage of all off-types must be calculated up to first decimal place. Mind it. When you are going to calculate it in 200, how many plants? You calculated the percentage. That percentage must be up to 1 decimal. First decimal place. Accordingly, you have to see in other 200, and you have to get the percentage. Accordingly, now you have to compare and you have to see the minimum seed standard prescribed for that particular crop. So, if percentage of off-type plants are beyond the maximum permissible limit, then the lot has to be rejected and sample is said to be genetically impure. This is your result. This is the interpretation, the calculation and interpretation of the result. If it is like that, otherwise you have to, if it is okay, then you have to accept it, then you have to approve it. So this is all about varietal identification through morphological tests, that is particular the grow out test, in which you are growing it is taking whole crop season for identifying the variety. The other tests, whatever chemical test or electrophoresis test, whatever tests are there, that can be done in shorter period. But this is very lengthy process. You see, that is why the limitations of grow out test. You see, what happens? Any environmental fluctuations. There are many morphological traits. In environmental stress condition, they are not expressed. So what will happen then? About the descriptor you are going and trying to describe the plants. So you will be confused in environmental stress condition. So this is happening in the field. So environmental stress condition often mask specific morphological traits. This gives trouble to you. This requires more land, laborer inputs, all more laborious and time taking. Whole crop season, I said, is taking. Sometimes heavy infestation of insect pests as well as occurrence of diseases may also limit your grow out test in the field. So this is all about varietal identification through grow out test, or you can say the complete grow out test in 3-4 videos I have already completed. Thanking you very much.